Port of Wilmington sits at the confluence of the Christina and Delaware rivers. It handles about 5 million tons of cargo a year. Typically, we have approximately 400 plus or minus ship calls a year. We are the largest container port on the Delaware River.
We have over 300 acres here inside the port, so we were looking primarily for CCTV intrusion detection system to cover both our landside and our waterside perimeters. So if our patrol was in one end of the port, we would be able to be alarmed or notified an intrusion on the other end.
Ports are unique in that they have multiple vendors coming in, multiple carriers coming into the port, trucking traffic, a lot of activity. So it's a pretty dynamic environment, very difficult environment to secure. And obviously, since vessels are coming in from foreign waters, cargo and personnel in those vessels are concerned. There's a multitude of issues that need to be addressed with the security systems. From the government's perspective, they've obviously made it a top priority initially to secure these areas.
We are a prototype facility for the TWIC card with the government. TWIC is Transportation Workers Identification Credential, and it's a program that implemented through TSA to provide control at transportation facilities, ports, airports, etc.
Well, we had some problems with the TSA and the contractor they had getting specs for the readers that were needed. Advantech got together with Honeywell and HID and got the specs from the contractor and the TSA and got the solution to make that TWIC card work.
And that was a real strength of Honeywell. They were able within approximately 3 days to have a solution outlined, and within 2 weeks we had product on site and installed and working supporting the TWIC card program. So it was a very big success. Obviously, it was a big milestone not just for the Port of Wilmington but for the TWIC program throughout the country.
The integration that Honeywell did with card readers and the video that we have tied into that access control worked extremely well. We had no problems with it, and we could always go back to it and pretty much flawless.
The importance of our partnership with Honeywell in this job was not so much in just providing hardware and software, which is important, and they have proven reliable systems in that area, but more so to be able to come in where there's new and unique situations and to be able to bring technical resources in quickly to solve those, and not just solve them, but have reliable performance out of them, which is important.